Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for GT IELTS. First, understand the general training format, which differs from the academic test. Familiarize yourself with common Canadian English expressions and accents. Next, set a realistic study schedule, dedicating specific times each week to practice all 4 modules. Begin by assessing your current English proficiency to identify areas needing improvement. This foundational work is crucial for effective preparation. For the listening module, practice active listening with Canadian podcasts, news, and television to get accustomed to the accent and common phrases. In reading, work on improving your speed and comprehension by reading diverse texts like articles and advertisements. Focus on understanding main ideas and specific details, as both are tested. Practice skimming for general understanding and scanning for particular information to save time during the exam. When tackling the writing module, master task 1 letter writing, focusing on purpose, tone, and structure. For task 2, develop clear, coherent essays with well-supported arguments, ensuring you address all parts of the prompt. For speaking, practice speaking fluently and naturally on a variety of topics. Record yourself to identify areas for improvement in pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar. Engage in conversations to build confidence. To maximize your preparation, utilize official IELTS practice materials and sample tests to understand the exam structure and question types. Consider enrolling in a reputable preparation course for structured guidance and feedback. On exam day, ensure you get enough rest and arrive early. Remember to manage your time effectively for each section. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.